back to Super at 60. I am so glad to have you here. Welcome to my home and welcome to my kitchen. Today is a fantastic day for me because guess what? It is another collaboration and it's one of my favorite ones. Yes, this is our 7th Women of Faith collaboration right here on YouTube. I have got some fantastic channels for you to watch today. I'm gonna list them all up here just like I always do, and their links to their video that coordinates with today will all be listed below. I make it so incredibly easy for you to make sure that you check out each of these women. They have worked very hard to bring these videos to you. I know that for a fact, this being number, did I say 8? I think it is number 8. Yeah, I think it is number 8. Yeah, so the whole list of channels that have helped out here and been a part of this collaboration is really pretty mighty. You have to admit, if you see that list, you have to admit that it has been an incredible group of faith-filled, believing women right here on YouTube. Who would have thought? Yeah, we're here, and we are making our presence known. So today we are going to do 2 things. We're making our favorite family casseroles, and we are making a sweetbread that goes along with it. My casserole today is going to be, it's called Puttin On The Ritz casserole. Oh yeah, sounds pretty good, huh? And the bread, I'm gonna start with my bread. It is the Red Lobster Cheddar Cheese Bread. I'm gonna make it in a bread form. It is so delicious. It is absolutely scrumptious. This entire meal will knock your socks off. So join me in the kitchen, here we go. All right, let's get started with the Red Lobster biscuity cheesy bread. It is so good. In my bowl, I have 2 cups of flour, okay? And to that, I'm going to add about 4 teaspoons of baking powder. The recipe will all be below, okay? A little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar because we want to make this on the sweet side, but not too much. Just enough so that it just tastes so good. And some spices. I have some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some dried dill. Now you can, change that up with the ingredients that you like. And you can put in fresh chives or dried chives. You could put Italian seasoning in here. You could take out the dill if you didn't like that. That's fine, but this I found to be it's just a really winning combination for this bread. It's wonderful. All right, so that's my dry. Now let's bring in the wet. All right, and in the wet, we're gonna do, let's do 1 cup of milk. I'm gonna put in 1 cup of milk. All right, a beaten egg, and a little bit of melted butter. All right, go ahead and whisk that all together. All right, now let's combine the 2. Look at this beautiful bowl. Isn't that pretty? I just think that's so pretty. All right, there we go. I love, I don't know, bowls like this. This happens to be that Temptations ware that I know a lot of people use. I have been buying them since, I don't know, a long time. All right, don't want to overwork. You do not want to overwork this dough. So just get it kind of started with your whisk. Looks like I made a terrible mess here. Hang on, I'm sorry, I gotta clean up behind myself. All right, then just take your favorite fall spatula, isn't that cute? All right, and just go ahead and fold it over until it's all ready to go. All right, here's my bread pan. I went ahead and layered some parchment paper in here because this really helps me to get the bread out when it's all done. All right, just make sure that all the flour has incorporated into the wet ingredients and you're ready to go. It smells so good. Whoa. All right, let's go ahead and put this in. If you see a little dry pocket of dry flour or something, that's okay. You can just fool with it a little bit once it gets into the pan. All right, this is gonna bake at 350 degrees. Okay, there we go. All right, 350 degrees in the oven, just like that. Isn't it beautiful? And when it comes out, I'll let you know exactly how long. Okay, well, this is just a tad bit embarrassing, but I forgot the cheese. I forgot the shredded cheese, and I am so sorry. So right before I popped it in the oven, I feel so stupid. Anyway, right before, yeah, I put in 1.5 cups of mild cheese because I had mild cheddar cheese, but you can use sharp or even extra sharp. It's all good. It's all good in this bread, I promise. And I apologize. And well, come on now. Y'all have done this kind of stuff in your kitchen before too, so you know how it feels. It's a bit embarrassing. Yes, it is. Don't look. Just don't look anymore, okay? Let's start the Puttin On The Ritz casserole. In this bowl, I have 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and to that, I'm gonna add 2 cups of chicken. Now, this entire recipe is gonna be below for you, and I am doing only half the recipe. The recipe that is below is the full recipe, all right? Because it's just Lou and I. You hear me say that all the time. It's like, oh, how pathetic, all they have is each other. Well, that's not exactly true, but if you want to think that, that's okay. All right, so that's in there. And let's see, we're gonna add a little bit of sour cream. Well, a cup of sour cream, how about that? Yeah, I told you, you have to have all good things in this casserole because the name of it, you know, Puttin On The Ritz. I mean, please, gotta have good stuff in here. Okay, so maybe you're not gonna eat this every night, but it's good for company. And yes, we do have company. On occasion we do. All right. All right, oh, look at that. It looks so wonderful. All right, now we're gonna put in some cheese. Now look what I did with the cheese. I sliced it and then I just broke it off kind of in little chunks like that. If you care to shred it or if you buy shredded cheese, you can do this, just add that. That's just fine. And again, you can use mild or anything, extra cheddar, extra sharp, anything at all, that'll be just fine. And then we're gonna add about 4 ounces of chopped up cream cheese. All right, just make sure you separate it in there. Keep it going. All right, just like that. Oh, I just can't believe how incredible that smells. Just beautiful. All right, so let's just move this guy out of the way for just a minute. And this is what I'm putting it in. All right, are we ready? I'm ready. It smells so good. All right. Yeah, it's beautiful. This is company worthy. I'll tell you that right now. You can serve it with some rice if you want, whatever you like. It will be delicious. Yeah, can you imagine this doubled? It will feed a big crowd. 4 cups of chicken. Yeah, I cooked that chicken this morning. I just boiled it. All right, so we'll just do this, get it all in there. Okay, beautiful. Now, okay, we're gonna take some crushed up Ritz crackers, okay, guys? I love this part. I just love this part. And just spread it all over the top, just like this. Now, yeah, this is company worthy, but you can absolutely make it for your family tonight. And then on top of that, just spread it out nice. 1 stick of melted butter going on. It's beautiful. Just make sure that those cracker crumbs are going to be all crunchy and delicious. There you go. There you have it. Puttin On The Ritz chicken casserole going in the oven at 350. Okay, well, everything is hot out of the oven and everything looks absolutely delicious. I want to show you the bread. I did cut into it, but I want to show you how beautiful it is. It's golden and just gorgeous. You can see up close. If you look, you can see the specks of the dill weed that we put in there. It's just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, and there's the cheese, a bunch of cheese, and there's some cheese in through the bread as well. It's just so beautiful. It really is. Smells incredible. Yes, you will wow your company if you serve this for company. But here's my little piece that I took, and then I'm gonna test for you. And I did put a little butter on it, a little. And yeah, we're just gonna give it a taste right now. Oh my goodness. You know, oh. Some people like dill and some people don't. But dill in this bread, I don't know. I don't know. I've never used anything else. I've just made this combination and it's absolutely incredibly delicious. You're gonna love this bread. So easy, quick bread, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's good. You can stick that in a toaster for a little bit and yeah, it's good. All right, let's check out this Puttin On The Ritz casserole. Here we go. I got it in a little bowl here. It is so wonderful. Oh, I gotta get the rice started. Yeah, oh, look at that cheese. There's cheese in there. Big chunks of wonderful cheese all melted, and that cream cheese is all through there. And the crunch, that incredible crunch of those Ritz, buttery Ritz crackers. Here we go. Okay, well, that looks like it's got a little bit of everything on it. You know I'm gonna let you see it. Look at this. Isn't that incredible? It's beautiful. The golden beautifulness of it. This casserole is just killer. It really, really is. All right. Oh, mercy me. What a combination. I'm telling you. Oh, this is the most wonderful supper. It's just wonderful. I hope that you will try both of these delicious recipes. That incredible Puttin On The Ritz casserole. Oh my goodness. Serve a beautiful vegetable on the side or a gorgeous crisp cold salad. And that bread. Oh, the red lobster biscuit cheesy bread is so, so delicious. Thank you for joining me today. And welcome to all of you who might be stopping by. I'm so happy to have you here. I would love to have you subscribe and be part of the family here at Super 60. We have so much fun. We really do. And to my subscriber friends, go ahead, look below, check out all the ladies today, all these women of faith who have put together videos just for you guys. So make sure that you go on over there. And thank you again. And I will see you real soon. And bye now, and Lord bless.